Good morning this Monday, the 6th of January 2025. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct, and this is our first morning bell of the new year. Wall Street closed the first trading week of the new year lower for the week, but had a slight uplift on Friday as the 2024 darling chip stocks lifted the indices to a positive finish on Friday. The Nasdaq and S&P 500 each snapped 5-day losing streaks to close up 1.77% and 1.26% respectively, while the Dow Jones ended the day up 0.8%. Across the European markets on Friday, it was a red finish as markets in the region tracked the lowest start for global markets in 2025. Automotive and travel stocks took the biggest hit on Friday across the board, while the STOXX 600 fell 0.5%, Germany's DAX lost 0.6%, the French CAC fell 1.52%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day down 0.44%. Over in the APAC region on Friday, investors extended the sell-off in China as the CSI index fell 1.2% amid economic stability continuing to struggle in the region to regain momentum and growth post-pandemic. Elsewhere in the region, South Korea's Kospi index rose 1.8%, Japan's Nikkei fell 0.96%, and Hong Kong's Seng ended the day up 0.7%. Locally on Friday, the ASX 200 rose 0.6%, buoyed by the energy stocks, soaring 4.5% amid a rise in the price of oil late last week to a 2-month high. Trading continues to remain subdued though, as investors are still on holidays. Uranium miners rallied on Friday on a supply shortage concerns after Canada's uranium giant Cameco announced suspension of production at its Kazakhstan-based uranium operation. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 1.14% higher at $73.96 a barrel. Gold is down 0.76% at $2,638 an ounce, and iron ore is down 1.16% at $99.44 a ton. The Australian dollar is buying 62.2 US cents, 97.76 Japanese yen, 50.05 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of Monday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the new trading week up 0.28%. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has slightly increased the 12-month price target on Champion Iron to $7.15 and maintain a buy rating on the iron ore producer following the announcement that the company has entered into a binding agreement with Nippon Steel Corporation and Sojitz Corporation to form a partnership for the joint ownership and development of the Kami project. The analyst sees CIA will benefit from maturing high-grade iron concentrate markets and a shift into higher grade production in 2H 2025. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on QBE Insurance following the formation of a pattern over a period of 23 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $19.69 to the range of $21 to $21.40, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Monday morning. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.